Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. So I just wanted to make a little video, my favorite body moisturizers, and I've got them kind of sorted by for very dry skin or for lightly dry skin. So, and I've got a little bit of in between as well. So really quick, what I do in my skincare routine for my body, I typically do layers. So I will layer like a serum-y lotion or sometimes just like a basic hyaluronic serum underneath, and then I'll apply a thicker body lotion over it. Actually, there's one product I'm trying to finish. I don't know, this lotion, and I couldn't use it on my face. My face did not like it too much. My face tolerated it, but didn't love it. So actually this one I applied just a little bit on the super dry patches, and then I apply the lotion over it. You don't have to do that. I mean, if this works on your face, go for it. Or just like a hyaluronic serum on certain areas. Or sometimes in the summer when my skin isn't as dry, some days I just go with the hyaluronic serum over it. The one I really liked was the one from Decium, the hyaluronic tub. I think that was, what was it? The chemistry brand or something like that. And then I kind of went on to the Costa Baha hyaluronic serum, which I picked up a few because they're still at style VANA. And sometimes I mix in a little bit of copper peptides with them for anti-aging and firming. And so that's one way to go about it. But my skin this winter got really, really dry in combination with the kitchen remodel. The water softener got shut down unknowingly for a long time. And my skin got really dry. I thought, man, this winter, the change is the worst I've ever experienced in terms of dry skin. And then I kind of put two and two together. Oh, yeah, the water softener not working. We have a well, so the water's very hard. So anyway, so I was scratching and itching and looking for the best lotion. So I'm going to start out with the first one that I found has been the most helpful so far for me, and that is the Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm. It's just really nice, really hydrating, really thick. And this is one where I apply it. Sometimes I will shower at night. Sometimes I'll shower in the morning, but there'll be sometimes in between where my skin could get really dry and I'd end up having to apply another layer of lotion. With this stuff, I've never had to do that. It's so nice and thick and hydrating. What are the main ingredients? Water, shea butter, dimethicone, glycerin. Great stuff, niacinamide, and then some other ingredients, but it has no scent to it. It's really nice, pretty affordable, and thick. Here, let me do a little test swab here. What did I do? I think I hit the wrong button. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Really nice, thick and creamy, and soothing and calming. So I really love this stuff, and I'm sure some of you tried to have talked about before. This is a repurchase. Multiple times I've repurchased it. Love it. Number one. Next up, they came out with one with Urea, which is great for hydrating the skin. So this one's main ingredients are water. Urea is number two, glycerin, shea butter, and then we've got some rapeseed oil, glycine, some fatty alcohols, lantan for soothing. So here's a little more of that. It's almost as thick as the Lipikar, but not quite. But it's quick, not quick. It's light, but it's almost in the same vein, but I would say it's just a little bit more smoothing, and a little bit goes a little bit further with this one. Actually, I bet on days when my skin is really dry, I could probably layer this underneath this. I haven't tried that yet, but it's always in the back of my mind. I can do that. So yeah, so these two, absolutely love them. The next two are going to be from a brand that you'll recognize. This is CeraVe. This is their intensive moisturizing lotion, and this is their daily moisturizing lotion. They also have one that comes in a tub, which is their daily moisturizing cream. CeraVe, these are both fragrance-free. You know what? Notice all these brands I picked out all have blue and white. Do you notice that? I don't know what the deal is. And I've got another one coming up that's blue and white too. So anyway, so this one's got some urea in it again, which is great for hydrating the skin. This one is free of it. So the one with urea has water, glycerin, shea butter. Then it's got hydroxyethyl urea. And it's got some ceramides in here. And then some other ingredients. This one's got a really short ingredient list. Well, compared to this one. This one's got water, glycerin, some fatty alcohols, ceramides, cholesterol, not so much. So I would say if you have very sensitive skin, this might be the one to go for. just because of the short ingredient list, but this one's really nice too, so you can't go wrong with those. Definitely worth checking out. They're pretty affordable too, so let me see if I can give you a little swatch of it. Okay, there we go. This is the one with the Urea in it. So you can kind of see it's thick, but still kind of lotiony. And the Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's got more of a creamy gel texture to it. So, okay, so those are my top 4 for very, very dry skin days, or very, very dry skin, or very, very dry cold weather. I've got a few other ones that, in my opinion, are a little bit lighter. So the VANICREAM Moisturizing Lotion, this one's very short ingredient list. Actually, my dad uses this. VANICREAM is pretty good for him because he's pretty sensitive to fragrances as well. So this one's got water, petroleum, propylene glycol, and then some fatty alcohols in it. And I mixed in my copper peptides, so it's kind of blue. So it's literally blue and white. So this is one that I used a lot during the spring and summer, and then winter came, and now I've been layering this one underneath some of these other moisturizers. This one alone with my super dry skin is not enough. So there's some days when that water softener is not working that I would layer 3 different products. So I'd be using something like this, or the Baha Hyaluronic Acid. Then I'd be layering this, and then I'd be layering one of these depending on how dry my skin was after that. So it got pretty dry, and layers are always a good thing. So that one's on the nice light side. I also have been testing out the BYOMA Sensitive Skin Lotion. I enjoy this one. Would I repurchase it? It's a little too light for me, but there's nothing wrong with it. Actually, I'll give you guys a pump of it here. Hang on, let me... Did I screw it up? Oh, now I have to twist it. Why don't I remember that when I use these? Twist until it... Okay, there we go. Here we go. We got a big sample of it. It's okay because my skin is dry. So this one's got a nice creamy texture to it. And I would say this is great for moderately dry skin, but not as great for super, super dry skin. Although BYOMA released, I don't know, like probably 3 or 4 body lotion products at the same time. So there's some other alternatives. This one's fragrance free. It's made for sensitive skin. So main ingredients, we've got castor oil, water, glycerin, grapeseed oil, shea butter, coconut oil, all those goodies, and no fragrance. And then last but not least, some people use this on their face, some people use this on their body, some people use this everywhere. The Ilyun Ceramide Ado Cream, Concentrate Cream. This stuff is great. I would say it's kind of got a gel texture to it, so it's moderately dry skin. It's going to be very efficient and effective for. For very, very dry skin, you can certainly layer it with other products. Just depends on how dry your skin gets and probably what type of climate you're in, because you know, my skin is dry even in the spring and summer, but when winter comes, it gets even drier, and it's probably severely dry. And I probably need to drink more water, which I've been working on. And then last but not least, if you like some fun brands, Summer Fridays, this is their Summer Skin. It has a little bit of a scent to it. It almost has like a very light, like vanilla scent to it. It's not bad. It's not, after you apply, it's not terribly noticeable. So this one's nice. I've used this one during spring and summer more, when my skin wasn't as dry. In the winter now, I haven't been using it a ton, but it's nice for that. So, oh, and then this one's nice for moderately dry skin. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This stuff is nice. So this is a fragrance-free version of it. This is an old bottle. It says new on it, but it's been out for a while now. But this stuff is kind of a gel texture too, so it's not as good for super, super dry skin, but it's great for moderately dry skin or spring or summer because of that. So yeah, there's lots of different products you can, Sol de Baja. Sol de Janeiro used to have one, their nude cream, but I think they discontinued this because I don't see it anymore. This stuff was nice and hydrating at the time, but I think they discontinued it. So anyway, yeah, I really, when it comes to these things, Roche-Posay kind of hits it out of the park. And they've got some nice body cleansers that are really hydrating. Bioderma also has a really nice moisturizer as well. So I should mention them because I scored one on clearance at Walmart like, I don't know, a year or two ago. And I think I got it for like $4. And it was normally like a $28, $29 product moisturizer, but it's really nice. So Bioderma has some good stuff too. But when it comes to super dry skin, La Roche-Posay with some of their products and cleansers knock it out of the park every time. So when it comes to sunscreen, them and Bioderma knock it out of the park for that too. So anyway, curious if you have any favorites for yourself. Leave them below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.